Learn how to allocate welds and update weld traceability data using the WeldLog in WeldTrace. The second step in the welding workflow is for welds to be allocated. Access the WeldLog from the welds list or workpack view pages to see welds by planned or allocated stages. By default, the WeldLog page loads welds in the planned stage. You can switch between stages using these buttons and use sorting and filtering options to select the welds to update. Select the WPS first, then choose qualified welder IDs for each pass, which can be changed or assigned to multiple welders. You will need to select the WPS first, and the welder IDs of the welders qualified and current to the selected WPS will be listed in the next 3 columns. Once you select a welder ID for the root pass, it will be automatically copied to the fill and cap passes. You can change welders or have multiple welders in each pass. All the welder IDs of the welders that are qualified to the WPS and with continuity will be available to be selected. A padlock icon appears when a weld is marked as completed, indicated by a date in the Date Welded field. Completed welds are locked from editing to maintain data integrity. To edit locked welds one at a time or in bulk, use the advanced search feature to locate and modify multiple welds efficiently. This button will be disabled for users who are not administrators. A human icon indicates welds with WPS and welders allocated but not yet completed, while a calendar icon indicates that those welds are in planned stage. Mark welds as completed by selecting a date. You may edit fields such as material heat numbers, machine IDs, and filler metal batch numbers. Pick the heat numbers of materials. The heat numbers from the project as well as the common library will be listed here in different colors. Pick the machine ID of the machines that are qualified to the selected WPS. If you want to track the machine details in the weld traceability log, pick the batch numbers of the filler metals or consumables. Similar to materials, you can see the consumable batch numbers from the common and project repositories. You can also use these 2 custom fields to enter any data that may be relevant to the project. You can use the fill handle to drag the data to fill other rows, or you can use the copy-paste shortcuts to enter data quickly. You may paste data directly from an external Excel file into the WeldLog to streamline data entry and updates. All data entries are validated via server calls. Use the advanced search feature to filter, edit locked welds, and delete welds within the WeldTrace application. This feature is covered in a separate guide. Once you save, the welds will be updated with the latest information entered or modified in the WeldLog. Click OK to confirm and finalize your WeldLog updates in the WeldTrace application. This article guided you through allocating welds, assigning welders, entering traceability data, and managing weld logs in WeldTrace. For more information, refer to related articles on advanced search and weld management features.